Hi, my name is Dr. Brett and I'm here with Denny Wongosari. We are the athletic trainers at Cornerstone Health. Today we are going to be going through an upper body mobility exercise that we like to call wall arm circles. This exercise is going to be pivotal for you if you have a variety of different activities. Whether you are having upper and mid back pain with sleeping, if you're having back pain and shoulder pain with working at a computer or at a desk for long hours of the day, or if you like to engage in overhead activities such as tennis, golf, or playing baseball or softball. This is a great exercise for you to utilize to target the front part of your shoulder joint and also improve general range of motion in your shoulder. All right, let's get started with demonstrating our wall arm circles exercise. For this exercise, Denny will be facing me and we're going to be utilizing his left shoulder for this example. Now Denny is about 1.5 feet away from the wall. The reason we do this is because we like to create roughly a 30-degree angle between your feet and the wall. The reason for this is that by doing so, we take gravity out of the equation and we reduce engagement of your upper trap and neck. That way we don't cause any impingement or pain at the neck. So from this position, Denny is in his standing form and he's going to lean into the wall. From here, he's going to bring his inside arm straight out in front of him. At this position, he's going to keep this arm pressed into the wall and he's going to reach long with his hand. From this position, he's going to start the motion of the arm circle with his left arm, thumb up behind him. Once he reaches overhead, he's going to turn his thumb away as if performing a backstroke and reach long back behind his body. As we continue to go through the exercise, it's very important for this to turn the thumb because we open up the front portion of the shoulder joint and we also get stabilization at the opposite shoulder. So this is a great exercise to work on increasing your range of motion at the shoulder while getting a great stretch. All right, now that we've gone through the wall arm circles exercise together, we'll talk about dosage, or the amount of times to complete this exercise. We at Cornerstone Health recommend that if you want to perform this exercise for general health, you do on average 5 to 6 repetitions on each arm in the morning or in the evening before you go to bed. If you want to focus more on your overhead activities and other ways to stay active, you can perform the same amount of repetitions on each side as a part of your active warm-up. And with this exercise, we are going to work on reducing any level of pain in your shoulder and improve the level of function with your overhead activity.